Hey y'all, it's the one and only Ashley Apollo, and I'm back with another video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because we get litty over here, so you might want to be part of the team. So today I'm going to be talking about how to start your very own YouTube channel. Ding! Most people think, like, on the surface it seems like you would just get a camera or get your phone, press record and upload. But there are a little bit more details and, you know, a little more to it than that. So I'm going to go ahead and break it down so you know exactly what to do when starting your own channel, and so you can just get a whole good grasp of everything. Okay? So the first thing you want to do is figure out what content are you trying to put on YouTube and who is your audience. So YouTube is a very big platform. You can literally post anything on here. You can do how-to videos, reactions, you know, how things work, hair reviews, story times, Navy stuff like I do, chart videos, how to be a stripper, literally whatever you can think of in your head, or what SMR, or the videos where they play with slime all day and I don't know, crunch on Cheerios. That's y'all know what I'm saying. Pretty much you can do anything. So once you figure out exactly what it is you want your channel to be about and what audience that will be directed to, that's really important because you want to know who exactly are your customers. Who are you trying to sell yourself or your ideas or your content to? For example, my content on my channel is all over the place, honestly. So I have story times, hair videos, Navy videos. So usually my audience is going to be females and Navy members. Most of them are in the age of 18 to 24. YouTube tells you like who's your viewers. So that's my audience. So once I was able to find that out, so I know exactly what to feed into, that's the reason I now make, like, you know, weekly topic videos talking about, you know, the hot new gossip, because my audience is the millennials. So we like to talk about what happens in the shade room. So I talk about what happens in the shade room because that's my audience. So that's like a, you know, a little comparison on what I mean by knowing your audience, so you know exactly what the people want and what they expect from you. So then once you do that, you know, go ahead and create your YouTube channel. Figure out, you know, your name. Your name could be literally anything. It doesn't have to be like your name. Like my YouTube name incorporates my name, Ashley, but that kind of goes with like my brand and what I kind of want to do long term. But you can choose your name to, like, I don't know, they have, you know, I don't know, but you know, pick your name, your YouTube name. So yeah. Now when it comes to your recording equipment, you ain't gotta be all fancy like me or whatever. I got like lights, camera, action over here. So, you know, if you classy or whatever, you can buy a camera, like, you know, but that's expensive. Luckily, I stole my camera from my mom, so, you know, iced me out. But most people usually start off on YouTube on their iPhone or maybe like MacBook, like a computer camera, something like that. You don't have to be all fancy or whatever. And then most people, for their lighting, they start off using sunlight. But using sunlight kind of can suck because the sun ain't always out. It ain't always a clear day. So I would suggest, you don't have to get a whole bunch of lights like I do, but you can just, I would suggest just getting a ring light, just a regular old ring light off of Amazon. And that can provide enough light, definitely enough light alone. So I would just say suggest getting a ring light just in case, you know, the sun is not always out and in. Even if you're recording on your camera, like, the ring light really makes everything look so good, and you just be looking like the girl in the picture or the boy in the picture, whatever you're going for. Depending on what type of videos you're doing for your channel, you can also have a backdrop like this, you know, so everything just looks clean and crisp together. So you don't always have to have a backdrop. I know some people, they have like their room as their backdrop, which looks really nice. Like sometimes it can look so like cozy and comforting, having like their little pillows and cameras, and I meant to say candles, but yeah, having their little scenery in the back, it gives like more of a homey, comforting feel. I was gonna go for that, but but if you're doing videos where you're showcasing something, whether it's like hair or you're reviewing products constantly, I would suggest having just a clear background, like a plain background. That way people can focus on the product more. They don't get confused with what you got going on in the background and this, that, and the third. So that's what I would suggest, but you know, do whatever makes your heart smile. Another thing is editing. I mean, if you pop in and you want to be classy and like, you know, super techie savvy, you can use like Adobe is good, or Final Cut Pro. I, on the other hand, use iMovie. It works totally fine for me. It gets the job done. My videos right as of now don't require a whole bunch of editing and, I don't know, motion pictures. So it works out fine for me. It's very simple for me and easy for me to use. But you can use whatever. If you know how to use Adobe and Final Cut Pro and that's what you prefer, you have a higher editing skill level, go for it. But for beginners, I would say iMovie is totally fine. Super easy to work, gets the job done, as you guys can see. So, and of course, everybody starts a YouTube channel, or the new wave right now is YouTube channels, because everyone is realizing how much some people make off of YouTube. People like the Ace family, you know, the makeup artist, Leah J, Patrick Star, you know, the popping girls or whatever. And so everybody's trying to jump on the YouTube bandwagon. But I'll say, if you really don't enjoy, you know, recording and talking to the camera and YouTubing in general, I wouldn't suggest it for you, because one, YouTube is not one of those platforms where you're going to get paid immediately. Like, you have to build your following, build your subscribers, build your views, you know, and be consistent with your content. Like, that is the biggest thing. Consistency, consistency, consistency. I'm still trying to get that through my head. If y'all know a subscriber, I'll be real when I post, but I'm trying to, you know, get on a set schedule. That's the difference between successful YouTubers and not so successful YouTubers, is the amount of content you post. You want to at least post, I say, at minimum once a week, just to remind people like, hey, you know, you're still here. And when you build subscribers, like, they want to see your content. So it's kind of not fair to subscribers, in my opinion, to have them subscribe to your channel and you post like once every 3 months. Like, that's just not, that's not nice. That's not nice. So get people what they want. But yeah, if you really don't enjoy YouTubing, you don't have a passion for it, or you don't have a plan and you're literally just doing it because you see the Ace family make money and YouTube couples, like, it's really not gonna do what you think it's gonna do for you. You know, it may work for a little bit, but just always remember, there are no shortcuts in life. No shortcuts. Maybe some sharp turns, but no shortcuts, baby. And YouTube, because everyone is noticing, you know, the amount of money that you can get paid off of YouTube, YouTube has noticed the bandwagon of everybody jumping on and trying to, you know, make a YouTube channel and make money. So they have changed the rules a little bit. It's, you know, you have to go through more steps to get monetized, and then after you get monetized, you have to go through a couple more steps to actually start receiving payment, and you have to, you know, go through a limit. You have to meet your money that you made, then they'll give you it. It's like a whole process. So if you think you're just about to come on here and just, I want to make a YouTube channel for a check, it's not gonna go that way, buddy. Not gonna happen, because it's a process. It's a lot of steps, and it's a lot of work to meet the goals. Like, there are goals you have to meet, and it's hard work. So, well, it's not hard work, I'm being dramatic, but it is, you have to be dedicated and consistent to meet the goals to get paid, if that makes sense. So, and my last piece of advice for starting a channel is, don't be discouraged. When I tell you, it's literally a market for everything. So whatever you feel like you think you want to do, if you like brushing your dog hair all day, you can literally come on YouTube, brush your dog's hair, and there's gonna be someone here to watch your videos. Like, there's a market for everything. As y'all can see, there's people on here that just eat food and people watch them. There's people who rub their hands on a mic and people watch them. So it's like, don't ever think what you want to do is like, no one's gonna watch me. There's someone to watch everything. There's a market for everything. There's someone to buy and love everything. So don't get discouraged. Someone's gonna love your content, someone's gonna watch it, period. It's just, as long as you stay consistent, stay dedicated, and stay focused, you know. Be annoying on all your social platforms. When you make a YouTube channel, be annoying. on your Snapchat, your Instagram all day. Make sure people know, hey you guys, I just uploaded a new video. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't seen this video, go like it. Just be real bothering, because that's what I do. Anyone who follows me on social media knows there's not a day that goes by where I don't post about my YouTube. Like, that's just, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it, so you might as well just come on over, because you're gonna see it every day on my Snapchat, on my Instagram, my Facebook. You're gonna see it, so you might as well just come over and watch, you know. And that's what you have to get the mindset of, like, sell, you know, because all it takes is one time to go viral, one time to get famous, one time to meet your dream. All it takes is that one time, and you never know where it could take you. Seriously. So that was my little video on how to start a YouTube channel, or my advice on starting a YouTube channel. My apologies if it was kind of all over the place. Y'all know I just be talking, whatever. Hopefully this video helped someone, inspired someone, motivated someone to keep on going. Keep on going. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do it, because you can. You can. Fuck. So you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, share, because it's more stuff to come. We just gonna keep rolling with the videos. You know, the new year's coming in, new videos is gonna be posted, so come on, come on, come on and subscribe, baby. Come on.